Credit cards versus debit cards. What's the difference? Credit cards give you credit or financial trust the more you use them, and you'll get a credit score attached to your credit. A credit score tells how responsible you are with money, which will give you benefits like lower costs on insurance, your house, a car, and many other things. And the higher your credit score is, it tells companies that you are more financially responsible than somebody else. Debit cards are a little bit different, where they take money out of your bank account and don't give you any credit, and your money is gone immediately. Credit cards allow you to buy items and pay at the end of the month. So a smart way to go about credit cards is to use them for big purchases such as a house, a car, and you can use them for other things for fun, but that's where a lot of people can go into debt if they're spending more than they can pay back. But if a hacker gets your credit card information, your bank has your back. You won't have to pay anything. I hope that helped you guys. Remember to stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.